This video I will explain AI in education, helping students to learn faster. First we will see what is AI in education. Artificial intelligence in education means using smart computer programs to make learning easier, faster and more personalized for students. Instead of one size fits for all teaching, AI can adapt to each student's needs and give instant feedback. Now we will see how AI helps students to learn faster. First point is personalized learning. Every student learns at a different speed and in different style. AI can track how you learn and then adjust lessons for you. For example, if you are weak in math, AI can give you more practice in that area, while moving faster in subjects you are already good at. Second point is instant feedback. Normally, you wait for teacher to check homework or test. With AI, you can get immediate feedback. This means you know your mistakes right away and can correct them faster. Third point is 24/7 availability. Teachers cannot be available all the time. AI tools like chatbots, tutoring apps, or question answer systems are available anytime, anywhere. Students can learn at their own pace without waiting. Fourth point is breaking language barriers. AI can translate lessons into many languages or even read text aloud for students who struggle with reading. This makes learning more inclusive and easier for everyone. Fifth point is smart content. AI can create study notes, quizzes, and practice tests automatically. Students spend less time searching for resources and more time actually learning. Sixth point is support for teachers. AI does not replace teachers, but AI helps the teachers. Teachers can use AI to analyze student performance and see where students need more help. This saves time and allows teachers to focus on real teaching. Now we will see benefits of AI in education. Faster learning because feedback is instant. Customized lessons that match your level. More engagement through interactive apps and quizzes. Accessible learning for students with disabilities or language challenges. Now we will see the challenges to keep in mind. Not all students have access to technology or internet. AI should not fully replace human teachers because emotional support and motivation come best from the people. Students still need to think critically and not depend only on AI answers.